pai ana, nā te mea e aka hau tētahi mea me he Reo Māori hoki.
A lot of people can learn Māori kipu, even people that don't know Māori a lot can learn a lot of things from this program.
Tino pai, tōku rā I tēnei rā. Nā te mea kei te mai mātou e tai o mātou kēmu and Instagram.
So we're learning about like the different ways that we can keep te reo alive, not only for people who don't speak it, but people who, you know, understand it but don't choose to speak.
There was heaps of cool prizes to win, and it was also really nice food, and it just felt easy.
He rau e tēnei rangi I te mea he kaupapa hei whakaraura I tō tātou nei reo rangatira, a hei whakaawe I o tātou rangatahi anō hoki.
Love it, that's really good.